Hello and welcome. Are you noticing some issues with your eXtremeAir or Advantage series hand dryer? No worries. We'll go through some troubleshooting steps to get your dryer functioning properly again. Remember, disconnect power before performing service. Only a qualified service technician or licensed electrician should perform service to any eXtremeAir or Advantage series hand dryers. Failure to disconnect the power source before servicing can result in serious injury or death from electric shock. Always disconnect the power source before servicing the dryer. Here are some common problems that may signal a need for maintenance. The dryer fails to start. The dryer is too loud, or the dryer is blowing cold air. First, let's gather some of the tools you'll need to complete your maintenance. So your dryer will not start. Let's begin by confirming the dryer's power supply. First, check the circuit breaker. If the circuit breaker is off, turn the circuit breaker back on and check for dryer operation. If the dryer starts, your problem is solved. Servicing the dryer may involve removing the cover. Remove the dryer's cover by removing the screws on both sides of the cover using the provided security hex wrench. Remove the cover. Now let's check for loose or disconnected wire connections on the PCB or printed circuit board. If the power supply and wire connections are confirmed and the dryer still will not start, it could be that the sensor is locked out. The anti-vandal sensor locks out operation if hands or foreign objects are detected in the sensing area for longer than normal drying times. The sensor will remain locked out as long as the objects are detected. Removing hands or foreign objects from the sensing area will return the dryer to normal operation. Check for and remove any objects or reflective surfaces within 18 inches of the bottom of the dryer. Next, let's try cleaning the sensor lens with a soft, damp cloth and a mild cleaning agent that's safe for plastics. Now, let's check the sensor setting. If adjusted to its minimum sensitivity setting, the sensor will not enable the dryer to activate. Make sure the sensor adjustment is not at its minimum setting. To adjust the sensor, turn the sensor adjustment dial on the PCB with a precision jeweler's straight blade screwdriver. Turn clockwise to increase sensitivity and counterclockwise to decrease sensitivity. If the dryer still does not start, it could be because the motor is not functioning or has reached the end of its service life. Inspect and replace the motor as necessary. If the dryer continues to not start, replace the PCB. If you've diagnosed that the dryer is too loud, you can adjust the dryer's speed setting to a lower setting. The factory setting for the dryer is maximum speed. To adjust the speed, turn the speed adjustment dial on the PCB with a precision jeweler's straight blade screwdriver. Turn the dial clockwise to increase speed and counterclockwise to decrease speed. If the dryer is blowing cold air, first confirm that your specific model includes a heating feature. The eXtremeAir Eco Dryer uses energy-saving ambient temperature drying and does not include heat. Next, check for loose or disconnected wire connections on the PCB. If the wire connections are confirmed and the dryer continues to blow cold air, inspect and replace the heating element as necessary. Finish up by reinstalling the dryer cover and cover screws using the security hex wrench. Thank you for watching this troubleshooting video for eXtremeAir and Advantage series hand dryers. We hope you found this information useful. For additional support, please reach out to our World Dryer customer care team. For other installation and troubleshooting videos, visit the Zern channel on YouTube. Thank you.